am I going to enhance this shape? So I've got a choice. I can just point into my outline. I can use the thinning scissors and make it very nice, very soft, very disheveled. No problem at all. Or I can go a little bit shorter and blunter to really enhance the shape, creating more density with the silhouette. And this is what I'm going to do here. So in here, when I look at where the shape is going, I'm going to go shorter from the center, and I'm going to go up, and then I'm going to go down. So the idea is to create a curve. Now, what does a curve do? A curve creates a softer silhouette, which I believe is a lot more feminine on a haircut. So I'm going to grab my scissors, and I'm going to stand at the back here. I'm going to use the point of my blade, okay? And from this part now, I'm going to start going from the center to the side. Now, this is what is usually everywhere that we go and do education. This is kind of becoming a little bit the wow factor at the end, right? Even I think, and I really believe that when we are working on quite strong outline on social media, it always gets more hits and more likes than softer one. You see those scissors for this, they're just purely magic. It's really, really nice. It really gives us a very, very nice point.